Good day everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm showing you how to send money to PayPal accounts from bank. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is of course navigate to your settings to be able to do this. Then you navigate to payments, and as you can see I also have the phone interface for you here on the right. So you just choose banks. So as you can see, transfer funds you receive to your bank accounts, use it to make payments as well. And also, guys, before I continue, make sure to understand that the feature of actually topping up your balance on PayPal is not available in every region. So, for example, in UK, it's available. I'm not sure about the other countries like Canada, US, and Australia. But if it's available, you can proceed easily. So the next thing is you go to the wallet, and you will have your PayPal balance here. Okay, and from here, guys, you just need to look for a button that says add money from bank or card, and let us continue. So once again, on this interface, you choose banks. After that, you choose your bank from the list. In here, as you can see, we have a lot of banks available. After that, you choose how much money you wish to add. For example, let's say $5. And as you can see, in 3 to 5 days, you can add this amount to your PayPal balance, and you will be charged no fee. Then you just press add USD now, or any other currency you wish. And as you can see, now our money are on the way. You press done, and as you can see, transfers can take up to 5 days. From now on, you just wait until the money arrive to your PayPal balance. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.